Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best adult electric scooter on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Gotrax GXLV2 Electric Scooter. With an improved console and enhanced battery life, this new model of electric scooter has everything you need. The improved battery features 36 volts 5-watt power that can travel up to 12.5 miles. The battery will completely recharge to full in just about 4 hours. The 250-watt motor offers impressively high torque while consuming very little amount of power. This electric scooter can handle a load of up to 220 pounds and reach a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour. Gotrax ensures that all your rides on the scooter are super comfortable with rubberized grips and brakes that are quite easy to handle. The tires have a shock-absorbing quality that will cushion every bump and dip in the road. The 8.5-inch air-filled tires are designed to save you from falls with a wide base. Number 2. Hover One Alpha Electric Scooter. This powerful electric scooter features a one-step folding system that makes travel, transfer, and storage super convenient. The 450-watt powerful brushless motor offers immense power and plenty of torque to take up inclines up to 15 degrees. The wheels are made wide, about 10 inches, and offer a comfortable and stable ride no matter how bumpy the road is. Moreover, this electric scooter features a Bluetooth speaker that can connect to your smart device. The LCDs have a speedometer, cruise control, battery status, headlight icons, and much more. There are large LED taillights that make sure you see everything clearly at night and are visible to others for a safer ride. There are disc brakes that make sure that the scooter stays skid-free and stable, while the electric motor offers a smooth and effortless ride on flat surfaces. Number 3. Evercross Electric Scooter. Made with sturdy aluminum and rubber wheels, this lightweight electric scooter for adults makes sure that your traveling experiences get a lot more fun. The minimalist design and easy operation make it a convenient option for the everyday commute. The 800-watt super powerful electric motor can speed up the scooter up to 18 miles per hour maximum speed. Further, the braking is certified to be secure, stable, and safe. They respond quickly and offer excellent control. The rear and front shock absorbers make all your bumpy rides comfortable and smooth. Also, you can detach the seat for more space or comfort. What I love about this product is that it includes cruise control, which allows you to select the most suitable speed and drive safely. Number 4. Razor Electric Scooter. The Razor Electric Scooter is perfect for those looking for a smooth ride that'll stand up to time and use. Its powerful 250-watt, high-torque, single-speed, chain-driven motor provides electrifying fun at speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, 16 kilometers per hour, making it perfect for both adults and teens ages 13 and up. The powerful rechargeable 24 volts, 212 volts, sealed lead-acid battery system ensures a long runtime between charges of up to 40 minutes, letting you cover plenty of ground during your rides. This would easily cover my commute to and from the grocery store. When it's time for a recharge, the charging time is short, so you can get right back to the action. Number 5. Megawheels Electric Scooter for Adults. The 8-inch wheel size and aluminum frame make this scooter comfortable and durable. The 250-watt brushless motor helps you achieve a fast 15 miles per hour speed and a smooth, stable driving experience. The scooter comes with a 5.0 lithium-ion battery that can offer a full long mileage of 9 to 12 miles. This electric scooter can be charged up fully in just about 3 to 4 hours. Furthermore, in addition to the large capacity battery, the 3 gears allow you to change the speed according to your skill level. The gears are easy to change, and the LED displays the gear and battery status. The low-speed gear also makes this scooter safe for teenagers and children. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.